In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Figma prototype to your Behance portfolio so people can actually interact with your design, not just look at static images. First, open your prototype in Figma. It doesn't matter if it's a complex project or just a simple template. Once the prototype finishes loading, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the Share options, select Get Embed Code. Figma will generate an embed code for your prototype. Copy this entire code because you'll need it in the next step. Now head over to Behance and log into your account. Click on Share Your Work and start creating a new project. As you're setting up the project, scroll through the content options until you find the Embed option. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the right side or in the main content area. Click on Embed, then paste the embed code you copied from Figma into the input field. After pasting the code, click Embed and wait a moment for it to load. Once it finishes loading, you'll see your Figma prototype directly inside your Behance project. You can move it around, resize it, and most importantly, it stays interactive so viewers can click through the prototype just like in Figma. To quickly recap, open your Figma prototype, click Share, get the embed code, copy it, then go to Behance, create a project, choose Embed, paste the code, and let it load. That's it. You've successfully added a Figma prototype to your Behance portfolio. And it really is that simple.